Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change back button's position on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. When you feel uncomfortable with the position of the back button on your device, and then you can do this. First thing first, please select the settings menu, and then you can select display option. And then here you can scroll to the bottom, and then you can select navigation bar option. Okay, and then you can choose the option you want between two options here. That's the tutorial on how to change the position of the back buttons on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.